Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is glittery eyes with little smoky touch. So let's get started.
So we start with luxurious ayurveda facial tonic mist spray.
Next I am going to use L'Oreal Paris White Perfect Day Cream with SPF 17.
Then blending it with the help of flat brush in downwards.
Next I am going to use Lakme Absolute Makeup Primer. Primer helps to fill in your pores and gives you a smooth surface for a foundation. Next I am going to use green color corrector. This color corrector is of l.a.girl concealer, which helps to hide your redness and pigmentation in your face. I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me powder, which helps to set your concealer. Next I'm going to use Maybelline New York Dream Cushion Foundation with SPF 20 and shade number 01. This foundation is in liquid form and I'm applying this foundation with the help of cushion. And this foundation is good for oily to combination skin. Next, take a small brush to fill the eyebrows with the help of Shivana Colors Eyebrow Palette. In this palette, we have two shades, black and brown. We will mix them to fill the eyebrows like this. Next I'm going to use MAC concealer and I'm taking this flat brush and clean my eyebrows like this. Now I'm applying MAC concealer on the eyelid. Then I'm going to use colorbar mascara to brush my eyebrows. Next I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me press powder. Set my concealer with the help of this press powder. I'm going to use sellotape and applying this sellotape in the corner of the eyes. Next I'm going to use Oriflame eyeshadow palette and I will take black color and put it on my half eyelid like this. Next I'm going to use SN Studio Fine Line 2-in-1 gel liner. And in this gel liner we have two shades, black and brown. For smoky eye I'm using this black color and applying it on my half eyelid. After applying this black color, I am blending this with the help of flat brush like this. Next I am applying black eyeshadow onto your lid, not going higher than your crease, and again don't go higher in the inner corners. Next I'm taking this color and applying this in all over the eyelid like this. I'm taking this small blending brush and start by blending the harsh line between the two shades and move towards. You can keep adding colors and blending it till satisfied with the outcome. I am adding brown over here in my bottom eye line and blending it with the help of small brush like this. Now I'm removing my sellotape. Now I'm taking small brush and smudge my kajal. Next I am using Revolution Makeup Revolution London Shimmer Brick. With the help of this shimmer, I am highlighting my inner corners and eyebrow bone. Next I am going to use eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes. Next I am applying false eyelashes. Next I am applying 9 to 5 Lakme eyeliner. Next I am going to use Hilary long lasting silver liquid liner. I am applying this silver liner half of the lid like this.
Next I am using Swiss Beauty Fashion Artist Blusher Kit.
And in this kit I am taking this brown color for contouring. First of all I am contour my cheeks. Makeup out and contour your cheeks like this. Next I am contouring my forehead, my jawline.
Now I am taking small brush to contour my nose.
Next I am going to use Wet n Wild Mega Glow liquid shimmer. This shimmer is used to highlight your face. Now I am blending this shimmer with the help of finger like this. First of all, I am lining my lip with the help of pink lip liner. Next I am going to use Lakme 925 Prime Matte Lipstick in shade number MP7 Rosy Sunday. Then apply lipstick on a lip. This is my final look. If you like this look, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thank you so much.